So this is a surprise trip for Lana. We didn't tell her we're coming here tonight. You know where we're going, Lana?
No, it's a secret.
It's a Christmas secret? Yeah, so we're not gonna tell you until we get there.
No, because I don't know where we're going, but Mommy does.
Yes, it's a surprise for you on the Christmas day. And you know when you get there, around 30 minutes away. See you when you get there.
See you when you get there. We're going to a hotel. We're here.
What's it called?
Great Wolf
Lodge. Okay, let's go
I have
in.
no idea.
And Lana has a Mickey Mouse.
Where are you going?
Wrong way. So this is a surprise trip for Lana. We didn't tell her we're coming here tonight. Woo. Wow. Okay guys, we are already in the room. This is called family room. So we have 2 queen size bed and 1 couch that can become a bed as well. So I'm gonna show you around how it looks like. We hope you like it. So Lana, what's next? What are we going to do at the Great Wolf Lodge next?
We're going to the water.
And this is your swimming suit?
Yeah.
Look at Mama's swimming suit.
You look like a scuba diver.
Yes, I am, because you know why? It is minus 12 Celsius today. It's very, very cold. So I'm gonna be so cold.
You can't wear your bikini.
I can't wear my bikinis today, guys. Are you ready to go? Let's go. Go!
The night before Christmas. When out on the lawn,
The rose.
the rose shut.
Such a clatter.
such a clutter. I sprang from my bed to see what was the matter.
Yeah.
Good night.
Good night see you tomorrow
See you tomorrow.
Okay, Lana, stand back.
Oh you get a lot of gold honey
Found 50 gold.
50 gold.
wow
So here he is with Jerry Ring and the orchestra. It's the lonesomest whistle.
What a clever magi are you to come back so soon.
Hi, I'm Daddy Rex, and I could fix stuff.